right, Camaro fans, here we go, 1987 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 IROC-Z package on it. Now, as far as color-wise, this is dark red metallic. That is the original color of this car that it would have came. Has had a repaint along the way, which doesn't surprise me because when you think of 80s GM paint, it wasn't the most durable or long-lasting, let's put it that way. Now, underneath the hood, does have the big dog, the 5.7 liter, tuned port injection, engine underneath there, and that is paired with the automatic transmission with an overdrive, which of course was an option, 1987. Speaking of options in 87, we do have the window sticker for this car, so you can see the options on it, the standard options, what came with what packages, and that is in with the still pictures. So as far as still pictures, I'll tell you where to go so you can see that window sticker. Check out the engine bay, undersides of this car. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too. Feel free to call us at 507-386-1726. Wanted to show you one little spot kind of down on this bumper where if they got a little overspray or whatever it was right there, you can see an imperfection right in front of the Camaro logo there. There's a little overspray or whatever they put the clear on. Quite what they did there, but wanted to point that out. And the paint, like I said, it is a repaint. Is it perfect by any means? No. Is it still a nice shape? Yes, but you're going to have a few little imperfections, maybe a little bit older repaint. But again, still shows well and is in the original color. Now, as far as equipment, power steering, power brakes, AC underneath the hood of this one. AC does blow cold, FYI. As far as the Iroc package on this one, it does have the Iroc option package number 3, about a $3,300 upgrade. This is an original mile car too. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles, upper 20,000. I believe it was 28,000 roughly. We'll take a look at it when we get around to the other side. As you can see, the dash, not cracked, baked, weathered, anything like that. Seats are original seat covers. Do not appear that they've been recovered, anything like that. And again, I'll pop the driver's door, show you the bolster and everything on that one to show you how it's worn. As you can see, they've blacked out the wheels, but still the IROC style wheel. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation of this car, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult your sales associate when you call in or email. Has a nice little rumble to it. Has MagnaFlow catback exhaust on it, FYI. In the rear here, you'll also see the original owner's manual, warranty book, showroom brochure, as well as that window sticker, so that will go along with this car. A little more on that window sticker. As far as options, this car does have locking differential, rear window defogger, engine oil cooler, Bose stereo, although that has been replaced with an aftermarket stereo. I'll show you with Bluetooth and a little nicer stereo in it. All right, something new in 87. If you look right here, the Chimsel center high mount stop lamp was actually moved to the rear wing in 87. This was originally a V8 car, and one of the ways you can tell that is by the 140 mile per hour speedo that was in the tuned port injected cars. And remember, you can see all those still pictures. Check out the speedo, the miles, the underside, the trunk at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. All right. I think there's anything I'm missing to kind of tell you on this one. Interior, again, looks pretty stock with the exception of that aftermarket stereo. I believe it was a Pioneer. Let me pull these keys a second so you don't have to listen to that. All right, so power mirrors, power windows, power locks, power seat. And again, take a look. Now, this is the original fabric seats. This is what it came with. And look at how nicely they're worn. As far as kind of the center console or above console there, also in good shape. Sorry about that. The headliner also in good shape. It's kind of tough with the lighting in here to be able to show you that. Tilt column, fog lamps, cruise control, electric power rear hatch release, and it does also have the automatic close down, electric close down on it. And again, the automatic with overdrive transmission, which would have been a option. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. There's your original miles, 26,022. If you can see that. There you go. And again, confirmed on Carfax. No accidents on Carfax. No readings over that as far as mileage goes. Again, power steering, power brake car. AC blows cold. Stereo does work. Turn that down a second. Top of the dash, again, no cracks, weathered. Take a look at the interior here. Power seat does work. As far as wipers, had the wipers working earlier too. So everything seems to function well on this car, including the AC. Take a look at the gauges here. Fuel gauge, battery, oil pressure, all looking good. Tachometer, and I'm assuming that temperature is going to come up with the engine temp. All right, slip around to the back of the seat here. 5.7 TPI with the MagnaFlow catback exhaust, so nothing crazy, just a nice deep rumble coming out of it. Nice sounding car. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. One thing did notice is that it could use kind of an inexpensive fix. The hood struts on it. I'm going to get a prop rod, prop the hood up, but it could use some hood struts on the front here. So hang on a second. Let's get this hood open and we'll take a look at the engine. All right, got the hood propped open there. So here we go. 5.7 liter TPI engine, or 2-in-4 injected. Again, AC blows cold, power steering, power brakes. Looking pretty stock underneath here. Headliner, everything, or hood liner, excuse me, everything in good shape. Pretty much what you'd expect out of an original model car like this one. It does have a battery shut off for when it is in storage also. There you go. Looking for a nice IROC-Z 1987 Camaro Z28. 5.7 liter automatic. Original mile, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. And remember, we can assist with transportation. Financing is available. We do consider trades in this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.